Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ahmad Zuhairi dan nombor matrik saya 1061.
Saya pula Muhammad Wakil, nombor matrik 1045. Dan saya pula Syajarul Nazimi, nombor matrik 1017.
In this video, we are going to show how to measure the resistance on multimeter with a power supply by holding the positive and negative points together. Besides, set the multimeter to any value and twist the resistor cap until it shows a zero value on multimeter screen. After that, tap the first resistor to measure resistance and do the same thing to other resistor. Turn on the power supply and set the power supply to 10 volt by connecting positive power supply to positive multimeter and negative power supply to negative multimeter. Lastly, turn off the power supply. Firstly, connect the positive wire that have been connected to the positive power supply with the positive wire multimeter color red, and also connect the negative wire color black to the negative wire multimeter. After that, use the negative wire to connect the first resistor and connect to the last resistor using the other wire to the negative power supply. Besides that, set multimeter to 5 mA and turn on the power supply. Read the measurement. Continue. Use the positive wire power supply to connect to the first resistor and use the negative wire power supply to connect to the last resistor. After that, measure flowing current of first resistor by tapping on both legs and read the measurement. For the second resistor, just repeat the procedure and read the final measurement. Use the positive wire power supply to connect to the first resistor and use negative power supply to connect to the last resistor. At the same moment, turn on the power supply and measure the voltage using multimeter by tapping to the first and last resistor. Make sure the multimeter was set to 50 volt and read the measurement.